Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making Halawa, which is an Assyrian vegan dessert. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the Halawa recipe. You'll need 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of water, 2 cups of tahini paste, half a cup of pistachios, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and a couple of pistachios for garnishing at the end. And this is how your halawa should look like. Flip it and serve it on a nice plate and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. Don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!